Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. In Culture and Anarchy, Matthew Arnold defines culture as a. The material conditions of the working class. B. Sweetness and light. C. A reflection of national identity. D. The rejection of hebraism. Right answer is option B, sweetness and light. Next question. Which of the following texts by Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak explores the concept of epistemic violence and marginality of subaltern voices? A. Can the Subaltern Speak? B. A critique of post-colonial reason. C. Three women's texts and a critique of imperialism. D. Death of a discipline. Right answer is option B, Can the Subaltern Speak? Next question. Who among the following philosophers influenced T.S. Eliot's idea of the objective correlative? A. Aristotle. B. Immanuel Kant. C. F. H. Bradley. D. Hegel. Right answer is option C, F. H. Bradley. Next question. In postmodern literature, the concept of historiographic metafiction was coined by A. Linda Hutcheon. B. Jean-François Lyotard. C. Frederick Jameson. D. Patricia Waugh. Right answer is option A, Linda Hutcheon. Next question. Into the Lighthouse, what does the painting symbolize in relation to Lily Briscoe's character? A. Escape from society. B. Search for male approval. C. Struggle for artistic expression. D. Religious devotion. Right answer is option C, struggle for artistic expression. Next question. Which modernist writer experimented with interior monologue and stream of consciousness, and wrote Malloy and Malone-Dice? A. James Joyce. B. Samuel Beckett. C. William Faulkner. D. Virginia Woolf. Right answer is option B, Samuel Beckett. Next question. The term hybridity in postcolonial theory, which refers to cultural mixing and identity formation, is primarily associated with A. Homi K. Bhabha. B. Frantz Fanon. C. Edward Said. D. Paul Gilroy. Right answer is option A, Homi K. Bhabha. Next question. In literary theory, the intentional fallacy critiques A. The reader's bias in interpreting meaning. B. The critic's moral evaluation of characters. C. The reliance on the author's intentions in interpreting texts. D. The exclusion of political context. Right answer is option C, the reliance on the author's intentions in interpreting texts. Next question. Which play by Harold Pinter introduced the Pinteresque pause as a key dramatic device? A. The Birthday Party. B. The Caretaker. C. The Dumb Waiter. D. The Homecoming. Right answer is option A, The Birthday Party. Next question. Who is the author of the essay Tradition and the West, which critiques Eurocentric perspectives in literary studies? A. Ngugi wa Thiong'o. B. Chinua Achebe. C. Edward Said. D. Ejaz Ahmed. Right answer is option D, Ejaz Ahmed. Next question. In A Passage to India, the Marabar Caves primarily symbolize A. British imperialism. B. The chaos and unknowability of India. C. The space for mystical transcendence. D. Religious harmony. Right answer is option B, the chaos and unknowability of India. Next question. Which post-colonial writer's work is deeply influenced by Persian epic tradition and has been legally challenged for blasphemy? A. Salman Rushdie. B. Orhan Pamuk. C. V.S. Naipaul. D. Naguib Mahfouz. Right answer is option A, Salman Rushdie. Next question. The term negative capability, which refers to the ability to accept uncertainty and ambiguity, was coined by A. Percy Shelley. B. William Blake. C. John Keats. D. Lord Byron. Right answer is option C, John Keats. Next question. The Book of Margery Kemp is classified as A. A medieval sermon. B. A Renaissance love poem. C. An early autobiography and spiritual text. D. A chivalric romance. Right answer is option C, an early autobiography and spiritual text. Question for you. Which novel by Toni Morrison deals with the psychological trauma of slavery and is known for the character satyr? A. The Bluest Eye. B. Sula. C. Song of Solomon. D. Beloved. Submit your answer below in the comment box. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button. Like and share this video with your friends. Thank you.